a spooky, creepy, pretty nice day. Right, Chocolate? Yeah, it's actually the really, really pretty good nice day ever. Okay, so Chocolate, what we gonna do today? How about you trade me? Okay. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and I'm Laura Crystal and today, ta-da! Now today we are going to trading cerberus to see what people observe then and what it's worth about it. Okay, right now we are in our Halloween castle. Pretty nice, right? Okay, cerberus, Chocolate, let's get and see what people observe for you. Guys, I think before we get going, let me go to buy a bed bug. Bed bug time! Ooh. Oh my god, I got a cute bed! That's adorable, right? Okay, so let's take out our chocolate bed and ride it. Ooh, the skeleton Rex is so adorable. It's look pretty nice, right? Okay, so right now I am going to explain you guys something special about this cerberus. Cerberus, it's not cerberus. Cerberus. That's what it's spelled. Okay, so you guys see here, guys, that unlock pet cerberus is cost 500 Robux. Yeah, and also this is in just coming a new pet in this Halloween event, right? But it's kind of very special things that this pet is not living game. It's going to be in game forever. So as you guys see, the birthday put here said cerberus will still be available after Halloween. So it means that cerberus is going to be always in game. You guys understand what I'm talking about? Okay, also if you guys want some free candy, a trick or treat, just come here and click off this man with no head. He will going to be give you guys 200 candy for free. Ooh, that's pretty interesting, right? Yeah. Okay, so right now we have to see some observe from people. So let's trade this girl first. And also you guys have to know a lot that this pet is cool because it has a 3 hat. Also, it's so adorable. It's with a black. We can dress up. Ooh, why is too big? It's leaking. Can I observe? Ooh, sure. I'm waiting. Then I said sure. Oh, sorry, cat. Okay, so let me okay, traits. Okay, golden. Oh, she adding. I thought I can say sorry. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's not good. Golden unicorn is pretty good, I think, but not me. I hope you have good observe. Okay. I don't want to skip too fast too. The video just coming for a 4 minutes. Let me see. Ooh. I'm gonna say, oh. I wanna ask her about the ghost bunny. Do you have ghost bunny? I love bunny. That's why I asked her. I don't know. I asked this girl, not you, sorry. No, but you can trade my thing for one. True. Oh my god. Then do you have bad buck? Then do you have bad buck? I supposed to escape the street. I kinda like it. A golden unicorn. I love gold. But it's losing value, so it's not fair for Neon Legend anymore. Can you go to buy bed bug? So I can escape. Please, come on. Come on. I wanna open the bed bug. I love bed bug. Ooh, hey. Come on. I just need a bit more so friendly. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting. I add ya. Yeah, okay. Actually, I have some lot of friends. Or ultra rare pets. Do you have crocodile? Do you have crocodile? No crocodile. Your crocodile. No sorry. Or flamingo. Just kidding, not flamingo. I don't even know about the pet. I have frog. Two and two. Wait, I have hyena. Okay, add hyena. Okay, add it. I escape now. Okay, put it and skipping to the chicken. Oh, adorable hyena. Enjoy my Cerberus. Oh my god. Did she just not escape? Escape it. Skip it to the chicken. Hey. I know it from Lanky Bob. I'm fan Lanky Bob. Oh, no problem. Ooh, a golden unicorn. Okay, let's play the game. Let me trade someone around here. I forget the wedding game you can't trade. Oh my god, I forget about that. I don't know. Oh my god, why you can't trade? Why? How? Because I'm in the game. I have to win the game to get some candy to buy a bed bug. I have to get albino bats. Albino. I have to get a albino bat quickly. Cause I wanna make a neon albino bed, making neon bed. Try to make making a neon ghost bunny. Also, I don't wanna make a neon cerberus yet, cause I have to find a skeleton wreck first. But it's still adorable. The people love cerberus. Exactly. Well, maybe I can trade the neon penguin versus something more good. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So this is called the pumpkin smash game. All you have to play is you have to get a lot of pumpkin and have the highest score. You're going to get a lot of candy. I get 130 candy. Woo! This is pretty interesting. I love hyena. Oh, hyena. Let me try to trick this one. I wanna see some lobster because golden unicorn, golden pet are losing some vowels behind me. Oh, she want me to add Aussie yet? She want me to add more? There. Is it fair though? Okay, anyways, we have to get a turtle between tweenies. Ooh, she's just climbing. How about carrots? They live game. No. Ooh, why are you flexing? Don't flex me. Oh, I got it. There you go. This is going to be pretty interesting. I want Ghost Bunny. Unicorn is mine too. I love them both. No, I'm gonna set. I have to find some Ghost Bunny. Please the pterodactyl with the legendary. I don't have a pterodactyl. I don't have that. I didn't have that. For a parrot or good? Oops. I'm gonna put the golden unicorn. Oh my god, am I supposed to get this? No, oh my god, he want me to add? Okay, fine, I do presume it to be add. Okay, I added. Okay. The hyena and my alligator. I hope you like it. What about we try to trip with our neon penguins? What do you guys think my officer that I get now? Fly to give her pink cat. I wanna trade it for a pink cat. A ghost bunny. Ghost bunny. Ghost bunny teamation. Ghost, we are a bunny. I am a bunny, so I have to get a ghost bunny. Hey, you. Please. If you want it, click the subscribe button. Just kidding, guys. Make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, and thank you guys so much. Please. Please. Yes. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. OMG. OMG. Jeez. OMG. Jeez. Oh my god. Trading top. No, why are you leaving? Okay, so she actually leaving, huh? Anyways. Ooh, a pink cake. Ooh, pink cake. I wanna observe a pink cake. I just got a ghost bunny. Okay, so I saw some all observe for it, and that was actually a good trick. That I get the ghost bunny. Also, I can trick this for a turtle to make a neon turtle again. Maybe in this video I try to make a mega turtle. We have this. Okay. My adorable. Why has not name? It has to be her name. The name is Icy Frosty. Oh my god. What an adorable name. Icy Frosty. It's so adorable. Wow, let me write it. Ooh, someone with the pet. Anyways, what do you guys think of our video today? If you guys enjoy it, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy and support my channel. So see you guys in the next video. Ooh, bye!